Hello, friends. Welcome to Super Traders, the beginning. I'm Saurabh Khandelwal, your host for the workshop. I have made some pre session videos for your references. Though you might be knowing many of the terms, many of the terminology in these videos, you might be using them in your investing or trading on day to day basis. But I still request you go through these videos so that it may act as a brush up. And for those who are new, please watch these videos carefully as this will acquaint you with all the terms, with all the terminologies that we're going to use in the workshop, and hence will bring you all on one page for starting us. I thank you for watching this video. Let's begin. Analysis. As I told in my earlier videos, analysis is based on facts and figures available to us. So there are basically two types of analysis. One is fundamental analysis and one is technical analysis. So we'll be discussing technical analysis through this video. What is technical analysis? It's a process for forecasting the direction of prices through the study of past market data using different technical indicators. So whole technical analysis is based on price movement of a stock. Every technical indicator is derived from the price of a stock. So basis is price. From price, we derive all the indication. All technical indicators come after price. So it is important to know the price. The price is plotted on chart, which is the basis of any technical analysis. Charts are the most basic part of technical analysis. All technical indicators, the prices of any stock are plotted on a chart. So what is a chart? It's a graphical representation of data. So we see price movements, we see other technical indicators which are graphically represented on a chart. So there are different types of chart: line chart, bar chart, candlestick chart, points and figure chart. But for our references, we're only going to work on line chart and candlestick chart, because these are the easiest and effective ones, which are used worldwide by all technical analysts, by all charting softwares. Most of them use line and candlestick charts. What is a line chart? So line chart is basically a data represented by a single line. It can be used on all time frames. So a line chart can show us a weekly time frame, a daily time frame, even a monthly time frame, or even smaller time frames for intraday trading. The basis of line is closing price of that stock. So every day the closing price of the stock will be plotted on the chart, and so on, the line will move on. And so is the case when we see a weekly line chart, the closing price of the week, and same condition is for monthly line chart, when the closing price of the monthly of that stock will be plotted on the chart. This is the most easiest form of graphical representation, as you can easily identify trends, as you can easily identify key supports and resistance on chart by looking at a simple line. It actually helps in identifying trends. So this is a typical line chart of Nifty 50 on daily closing prices. So you can see the prices, you can see the Nifty prices are on this axis on the right hand side, and the daily dates are on this axis on the lower side. Next is candlesticks chart. This is the most prime and most effective way of charting. Most technical analysts use this for their technical analysis. Most technical indicators are used on candlesticks charts. This is best for in-depth analysis because it gives a very clear and crystal view of the complete situation of the markets or of a particular stock. It again can be used on all time frames, from 1 second to 5 seconds to 15 minutes to hourly chart to 1 day candle chart to 1 week candle chart to 1 month candle chart. It is the most widely used chart for technical analysis. This is a typical candlestick chart. The prices are on the right and the dates are on the lower side. This is a daily chart of Nifty futures, in fact. And every candle represents 1 day. 1 day, 1 candle. And this is how we can depict the price movement, the graphic representation of prices. This is a candlestick chart. So this was it about the charting. We'll be sharing some candlesticks chart with you with details of candlesticks, which forms our very basis of technical analysis. Thank you for watching this video. I'm Saurabh Khandelwal and I'll be seeing you on 27th. Thank you once again. Bye-bye.